anything wrong. Let me on the plane.
Relax.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Come up, my family boarding.
On December 12th, 2024, airport officers at Nashville International Airport responded to a Southwest Airlines gate for a disorderly, intoxicated female who had been denied boarding. Officers observed a strong odor of alcohol and witnessed the subject attempting to force her way past other passengers onto the aircraft. She was taken into custody and transported to Davidson County Jail. She was charged with disorderly conduct, public intoxication, and resisting arrest under Tennessee law. That is where the legal analysis begins.
I didn't do anything wrong. Listen, I didn't do anything wrong. 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 Let me on the plane.
Relax.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get that from her.
I didn't do anything wrong. It's upstairs.
Can't find your back.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Have her legs.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hands behind your back.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Thank you. Welcome. Thank you.
I didn't do
Sorry about that.
Sit up. All right, listen.
Officer, you listen. Put it on. Come up, my family boarding.
Stand up.
Stand up, ma'am.
Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop! I just wanted to go home. Stop!
Relax, relax.
Stop! Stop!
Ma'am, stop. Stop.
Relax, please.
With the B group, B 1230, please. B 1230.
Okay. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up for me. Just get a wheelchair. Are you okay? Can you relax, okay? Relax, okay?
Seriously, why are you doing this to me? This isn't fair. This isn't fair. I was just supposed to go. Listen, stop! I was supposed to just go to my... I was supposed to just go on my flight. I'm a normal person. They're breaking my arm.
Stand up.
Oh my God.
Start walking.
I'm a person. I'm a normal person, please.
Start walking.
I just wanted to go home.
Okay? Stand up for it.
Listen, I know that you guys think that this is
Just start
crazy.
walking, okay?
Just look at it. Just look at it.
You all right?
Please, just look at it.
You all right?
I know that you see me. Please, my God. I know that you guys see me. Please, I was just trying to go home. Ow, you're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Go to the right.
You're breaking my arm.
Just sit her down.
Ow! Ow!
Sit her down.
Ow! You're breaking my arm.
Then walk. Let's go.
You're breaking my arms. Why is this okay?
Walk.
Why is this okay? Why is this okay?
Just start walking.
Listen, I shouldn't have had to do this. I was
Terminal Drive.
just going home.
Just stand up.
You're breaking my arm. You're breaking my arm.
Here, don't hold behind her. Let's put her in there. Let's put her in the wheelchair and take her down.
Breaking my arm. You are literally breaking my arm. Please, God,
the wheelchair.
please let me listen. You are breaking my arm. You are breaking my arm.
Well, start walking.
Jesus, please, listen, ma'am. Ma'am, please. Ma'am, please. My arm.
All right, very careful.
My arms. Please. My arms are hurting so bad. Please. Please. Please let me go. Please let me go. Please let me go. My arms are hurting so bad. Please let me go. My arms are hurting. Please let me sit.
Are you gonna walk?
Please.
Start walking. Stand up.
Get up. Get up.
Please just give me a second.
No.
Just give me a second.
We're about to be by the car. Stand up.
Please, it hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
All right, let's search her.
My arms. Please, sweetheart, look at my arms. Please look
We
at
are
my
right now.
arms.
Come on.
Please look at my arms.
Search her real quick.
Please look at my arms. I can't.
Hold on. Stop.
He's got search your life.
Please take them off. Please, but listen. Please.
Start walking. I got it.
Please, listen. My arms. I can't feel my arms. Please, I'm asking you. Please, I'm begging you.
I was trying to fix the door, but I think it broke on the bottom, so I couldn't secure it. What was it?
I'll get there.
I'm begging you.
There you go. Hold your feet in. Let me check your gloves.
Well, please, God, they're hurting so bad.
Stay seated.
Just take them off. Please, just take them off. No.
You're going to jail for public intoxication. All right? And resisting arrest, okay? There you go. Try to take a breath. Breather, okay?
Why are you doing this to me?
I gave it to Princess.
I know, but what?
No,
I'm a princess?
my other
Why
officer.
are you doing this to me?
I don't
Listen. I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend.
But why did you do this?
Let go.
Do you think I deserve
No,
this?
you don't.
No, but I'm scared.
Sit up. You're all right.
I'm scared.
Sit up. Sit up.
00.
Sit up. We're gonna get you seatbelted in.
Why are you doing this?
Sit up, please. You're all right.
Why don't you let me go? This isn't fair.
You're all right. Put your foot in here.
Why are you doing this to me?
42 or anything else?
And also, 42.
Yeah.
I just wanted to go home.
Gotcha. You're gonna be fine.
No, you hear me?
I
I
hear you.
just wanted to go home. This wasn't fair. This wasn't fair.
You'll be alright.
But what if this ruins my whole life?
It's not gonna ruin your life.
This isn't fair.
Just calm down.
What is your name?
Officer Goodwin.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Goodwin.
Yes, ma'am. Just calm
Why
down.
did you do this?
Wait.
But I'm not. I didn't just look at my legs.
You kept fighting with us.
No, that person was mad because I wouldn't accept it. That gay person or whatever was pissed off because I wouldn't accept it. They said, "This is what you get." Listen, this wasn't fair.
Okay. We'll go check on you.
Listen.
Do you remember where you drank at today at the airport? By any chance?
At that it was like that place who was there.
Right there by your gates?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Hey,
Listen,
listen, I don't want to be alone, please.
You're good. They've got you.
Listen, hey,
They've got you.
I
They've
don't
got
want to
you.
be alone,
You're
please.
fine.
I don't
They've
wanna
got
be-
you. They've
Listen,
got you.
Hey.
Once we get to the jail, before we process you. No, you're going to jail.
Go to jail, man.
Yes, ma'am. You need to sit back. You need to sit back and act right, okay? Listen, if you keep acting out, you're not going to be able to get out until a long time.
You're not letting me out.
We're about to be there. Just try to relax, okay?
You're not letting me out.
I'm messing my phone. Are you ready?
Let me get that. Let me get that off first. Where's your shoe go? Where's the seatbelt off?
Watch out.
Where'd you get your shoe?
I mean, it's right there. She unbuckled herself as well.
Okay. Come on, stand up, step up. Come on. You're alright. So I don't want you to fall, okay?
No, but why am I in this situation?
Alright. Turn this way, please. Turn. No. Let's let her do it in there.
Where am I?
Davidson Jail.
What is this?
Sit down.
Davidson County, Nashville. Clear shore. So you're gonna have to go to the airport to get your stuff when you get released, okay? You hear me?
What does that mean?
This bag is gonna.
I'm arrested, but how do I get released?
You have to bond out.
Yeah.
It's an easy process, they'll tell you. Okay?
But I've never even had a traffic.
I understand,
But like, what is happening?
so you're going to jail for public intoxication, okay? Disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest, okay?
Okay. What are we basing this off?
Off
That lady?
Your actions in front of us. With us. Hi. Stop right now.
She was combative with us at the airport, but she's calmed down since, okay?
For the love of God.
Alright, I just had to tell him. Just listen to them, okay?
Really?
Hold on, let me...
I'll remember your.
Hey, you look at me? Thank you.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under Tennessee Code, annotated section 3917310, public intoxication is established when a person appears in a public place under the influence of alcohol to a degree that they may endanger themselves or others or unreasonably annoy persons in the vicinity. No breathalyzer is legally required. Officers' field observations alone can establish probable cause. The strong alcohol odor, the disoriented behavior, and the attempt to force entry onto a commercial aircraft are each independently sufficient indicators. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided by the Supreme Court in 2001, the Fourth Amendment permits a full custodial arrest for even a minor misdemeanor, provided probable cause exists. That bar is met here. Turning to disorderly conduct, Tennessee Code annotated section 3917305 requires that a person engage in fighting, violent, or threatening behavior in a public place with intent to cause public annoyance or alarm. Verbal protest alone does not satisfy this statute. The Tennessee Court of Criminal Appeals made clear in State v. Millsaps that this charge requires an overt act or a direct threat of harm. Her statements, "I didn't do anything wrong," are constitutionally protected speech. However, forcing her way through other passengers at the gate is an overt physical act in a congested public space, creating a reasonable risk of harm to bystanders. That conduct, if corroborated by airline staff and witness accounts, supports the disorderly conduct charge on its merits. Resisting arrest is governed by Tennessee Code annotated section 3916602, which applies when a person prevents or obstructs an officer from effecting a lawful arrest or detention. Physical assault is not required. Sustained passive noncompliance, refusing repeated commands to stand, walk, or submit to handcuffing over an extended period satisfies this statute. The footage documents that pattern clearly and at length. On use of force. Under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989, force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer, on the scene not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern: the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. Here, the offense is low severity. The subject poses no apparent weaponized threat, but she is actively and continuously resisting. Officers deployed no intermediate force, no taser, no OC spray, no impact weapon. They escalated only to firm physical control and restraint. Under Graham, that progression is within the zone of permissible force, given sustained non-compliance across multiple locations. The subject's repeated complaints that officers were breaking her arms do not establish excessive force as a legal matter without corroborating evidence. of injury. Such statements are common during arrest and are not self-proving. However, they do create a record that warrants supervisory review of restraint technique. The search conducted at approximately 5 minutes and 43 seconds is authorized under Chimel v. California, 1969. Search incident to a lawful arrest, requires no warrant, and permits a full search of the person. No Miranda advisement appears on camera. This is not automatically a violation. Miranda v. Arizona applies to custodial interrogation, the structured questioning of a detained suspect. Spontaneous, unsolicited statements made without prompting are not protected. The subject voluntarily disclosed where she had been drinking, in response to a general, non-coercive question during transport. This statement falls outside Miranda's scope and is likely admissible. Any defense argument to suppress it faces a high legal threshold. Officer Goodwin receives a B+. The arrest rests on a sound probable cause foundation. Force escalation was measured and proportionate. The decision to use a wheelchair rather than physically drag the subject reflects sound judgment and reduced injury risk for all parties. Goodwin's conduct during transport, acknowledging the subject's distress while maintaining professional composure, is consistent with crisis intervention training and effective de-escalation doctrine. Charges were communicated clearly and accurately at booking. The grade falls short of an A for 2 reasons. First, the extended duration of the floor restraint phase raises questions about whether earlier positioning or technique adjustment could have moved the subject to transport sooner. Second, no Miranda warning is visible on camera. If formal questioning occurred after this footage ended, that omission becomes legally consequential. Both issues are manageable but warrant review. The subject receives a C. She did not strike or assault officers at any point visible in the footage, a meaningful distinction. Once in transport, she became cooperative and engaged in coherent dialogue. These are mitigating factors. However, her conduct at the gate, forcing entry onto an aircraft past passengers, and her sustained refusal to comply with lawful arrest commands provided officers with independent, adequate grounds for all 3 charges. The resisting arrest charge is entirely self-inflicted. Critically, the subject had the right to remain silent and request counsel at any point during this encounter. She did not invoke either right. Her voluntary statements about the conflict at the gate and her drinking location are now part of the evidentiary record against her. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, field intoxication does not require a breathalyzer. If officers document observable indicators, odor, behavior, disorientation, that documentation alone establishes probable cause under Tennessee law and sustains a public intoxication charge at the charging stage. Second, non-compliance compounds legal exposure. Every refusal to follow a lawful command adds a chargeable act. What begins as a public intoxication, contact escalates directly into resisting arrest, the moment the subject refuses to submit to handcuffing. Third, voluntary statements made during transport carry legal consequences. The absence of a Miranda warning does not protect spontaneous disclosures. If contacted by law enforcement in any capacity, invoking the right to silence and requesting counsel is the only reliable legal protection. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.